Hello, madam. I don't search for the perfume. Oh. I don't see her for any shop. I don't see her. Oh. I don't see her.
Don't worry, just come home. Hold on. Did you see Heaven?
See your daughter, pa. I think say you carry and go school now. No.
My friend, don't be stupid. I dropped her off in school this morning. The school just called me and said Heaven is nowhere to be found.
Oga, madam, now to call Oga or may we call police, so may we call police now. I no get strength to.
Just come home, Fer. Come home, come.
Madam, you like to disturb me when I don't like.
Hey, kill her. Kill her before she wakes up and spills the pain. You bastard! What? Stick around. Stick at the hospital, alright? Don't allow her to wake up before you do what you're supposed to do. Kill her! Finish her life, right? I do not care if she's in coma or on oxygen. I don't care. All I care about is for you to kill her. Kill her! Kill her! Right? Nonsense.
My love, how is it going?
It's not going on well, mother. Right? Can you imagine? He couldn't kill her before the nurse intercepted his plans.
What nonsense. But what about the girl? Is she getting any better?
I don't know. I don't know.
What is happening to my children? Hi. This girl will expose my son. God help me. God help me.
Hello, babe. Hello? Babe, there is a problem. There is a big problem. Heaven is missing.
Heaven?
I can't find Heaven.
The school authorities say that she didn't come to school today. So you're supposed to be with her at home.
I'm just coming from her school right now.
What the heck are you talking about?
Yes! I dropped her off myself this morning. I dropped her off.
What kind of nonsense news is that? They better find her or else I'll burn down that school. What nonsense is that one?
I don't understand what is going on. I don't know what is happening. I've searched everywhere for her.
That's our excuse. They need to find her or else I will burn down the school with everybody in it.
Listen, babe. If I fail to see Heaven at the end of today, I will arrest everybody in that school. I swear to God, I will arrest all the teachers in that school. Everyone in that school, I'll arrest everybody.
Yes. No. In about an hour, I'll be there.
I'll call you back.
Nonsense! They better find my daughter! They better find her! It's unacceptable. Trevor, move, please. Daughter, Nancy.
So where is the rushes?
Money first.
So where is it?
The CCTV camera is damaged and cannot be able to capture any scene. So as a matter of fact, they cannot be able to track any event that happened in her school today.
Get down.
Nice doing business with you.
Is your way we lead you to? Is your character will destroy you? Is your way we lead you to?
Jide, you need to go home. You need to go and eat something.
I don't eat anything. I'm not hungry. I don't eat anything.
You've been here since, so.
Dara, I dare you talk to me. Eh? I dare hear you. He raped me.
Eh? Who raped you? Who raped you? Eh?
Shut up. Let me. You say who raped you? Prince Ebuka. Eh? Prince Ebuka raped you? Now he raped you? So Prince Ebuka tell you this thing? Blood will flow! I will kill him! If I don't kill him, I'll die! Let Ebuka tell you this thing, let me put him on this condition! Doctor! Call doctor! Doctor! Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Dara, don't give up. Dara, don't do this kind of thing. Dara, don't go die. Don't go die. Don't go die. Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Doctor! Dara, no. Dara, don't give up. Don't give up. Doctor! Don't. Hey. Shit. Don't try him. That thing may want to. No mention him. Not one. Doctor, all the book where you learn from school, all the plenty years when you study as a medical doctor, everything where you don't learn, do am now make she wake up. That's the way you don't talk am. Don't talk am, I don't want you to do it. Nothing go happen to my sister, don't make she wake up. Don't tell me now. Do something, use this thing, use that thing. I mean, they walk. You know they walk. Do am, use them. Don't they tell me now. Don't make sure now. No! Don't tell me, don't they talk come again, don't make sure that. You don't whine.
So you have to calm down. You just have to calm down. Lost her.
Your Highness, Chidera is dead, and the chief guard asked me to pass the information to the royal house and to my able prince.
You may go.
Wait. Did she utter a word?
The chief guard did not tell me anything. He met her lifeless in a ward.
It's okay. It's obvious that she didn't utter a word. You may leave.
He went out.
Follow you.
Okay, I'll convince you. I'll convince you.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije botwa, ije bajawa. If you destroy all,
we'll have to bury her immediately. Buchi! Go and call Oji for me. Be fast, what's this up? Oh! Today, round one!
If you destroy all, who will live with you? What is stand to gain with your selfish act? What is wrong?
Your Majesty, Ichio Okonkwo and Co. have no proof to back up their allegation. Prince Ebuka may or may not be innocent. But one thing is sure. There is no proof to ascertain what exactly happened between him and that girl.
Yes, they have no proof. And even the girl is dead. So they can't say she said. Let her resurrect and speak for herself now.
That is what I am saying. Ichio Okonkwo may have written petition to the Commissioner of Police and copied you, Your Majesty. But one thing is lacking even in his petition. There is no proof. They are just accusing our prince for nothing.
And they can be sued for that. Yes.
My elders, thank you so much for your understanding.
Oh, thank you. So we'll do everything to protect our prince at all costs. Everything.
This cannot be happening to me. This is nonsense. It cannot be happening to me. I left my daughter in your care before I traveled. Where is my daughter? You cannot give me an account of where my daughter is. Something that this stupid school is talking about. Where is my daughter?
My love, please calm down. My dad has called the police. They asked him to report back after 24 hours. Just calm down. Heaven will be found. Trust me.
I don't have that 24 hours. I don't even have 3 hours to waste. Why would this be happening to me? I feel like I'm going mad. I feel like I'm going crazy. How can this stupid school open their stupid mouth to tell me that their CCTV camera is not working? How? How? All of a sudden, my daughter got missing and nobody can give an account of where she is. The whole school with the whole security. This is not happening.
I promise you, that school will get it hot with me. Just calm down, please. Should I get you some water?
I don't need your water. I don't need your water or anything that is not my daughter. My daughter is all I need right now. If it's not my daughter, please save whatever. After all, she was in your custody. Can I allow this nonsense to happen?
I know, but just calm down, please. Relax.
Don't tell me that. Don't you dare tell me to calm down again.
Ah. I am happy you told your husband though. So this is all you went through? I went through all this and more. My sister, you will not understand. You will not just understand it. But it is well.
I am so sorry. I am deeply sorry about every ugly thing you went through in that palace.
It's okay.
I am sure Nemesis will catch up with him. Look, Karma never misses an address.
It doesn't.
Nemesis will definitely catch up with that evil prince. My God.
But I still want you to talk to your brother for me. He insists on going to the kingdom. But I told him not to bother about everything. But he's been adamant. Please help me talk to him.
My brother should understand that what you need at this point is therapy, not him going to fight the prince of the royal house. Come on. I'll talk to him. I'll make him look at things differently. Trust me.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
See you, you're so strong.
Thank you.
And you never mentioned to me all this while.
Don't say it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
You make me cry now.
No, you're a strong woman. You don't know that.
It's okay.
Your Majesty, that was her last word before she gave up the ghost. She said he raped me. And when asked who raped her, she said Prince Ebuka raped her, Your Majesty. Prince Ebuka had the guts, the temerity to lay his hand on my niece. And today, my niece is dead. Prince Ebuka is walking here and there with guards.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, may you live long. Your Majesty, the prince molested and abused my wife before I married her, which has caused a lot of issues in my family, even up to today. Your Majesty, since I married my wife, she has not allowed me perform my conjugal rights as her husband. She has not allowed me touch her.
You mean you've not tested what you paid for?
Oji. Mba. Nothing. Even when I found out and confronted the prince, he requested that I bring proof. Your Majesty, what other proof could there be apart from the victim who is still alive and ready to tell her story? Even the queen says we hate the prince because of his status. Your Majesty, we are being oppressed. We are being oppressed.
Your Majesty, adding to what Chima has said, Your Majesty, I am surprised. I am surprised that one will be asking for evidence. Evidence on an event that happened against the recipient, against the victim. Even though we have presented the last word of the deceased, the last word she said that Prince Ebuka raped her in the hospital before she died. We've presented the doctor's report. I still wonder the kind of evidence our Igwe is clamoring for. If not for anything, Igwe, if not for anything, Chima's evidence here, which still testifies that the wife is alive. And she said this before the prince.
May I revisit the medical file?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, sir.
Well, this report is attesting that one Chidera Okonkwo was molested, abused, and forcefully penetrated. Is it true?
Yes, Your Highness.
And one other Amara, as we speak, is presently going through psychological trauma, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
Well, all these things could be fabricated. Anyone can write up a file, write up a story to make up what seems real. But that is true. Huh?
Your Majesty. Please, Your Majesty, Biko. The said deceased, my niece, my late brother's daughter, died in the hospital. The doctors are there. The nurses are there.
Everybody.
They are there to confirm the report. They are there to tell story that these things happened to her. So, Your Majesty, I don't understand. What are we talking about now?
No, please. Do not bring a case of a teenager who died as a result of rape in the hospital, in their hospital. Anybody could write any report. Report could come from anywhere, and it would seem very true. See, I decided to halt this matter, not to slip out of my hand, because I am the Emperor of the Seven Kingdoms. This case is very delicate and must be treated as such. For that reason, I have sat for a very long time and I need to take a break. So I would urge you all to leave now, and I'll invite you in a jiffy. You may go.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the word, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got half of ya. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got half of ya. Imagine you got half of ya. Imagine so you got half of ya. This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got if you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got
Why are you looking like this? Okay. You know that thing you wanted to show me that day? That I told you my eyes were spinning me. Come and show me now. I'm ready to see it.
Amaya, are you serious?
I'm serious.
You're not joking.
I'm not joking.
Amaya, you're not joking. Eh? You're not joking.
They found him not guilty.
Huh? Yeah?
Yes.
Papa will go scatter things. Papa, I swear, we'll go scatter everywhere. This same priest, nine rape my future wife. Aboma. Tell me, even all the maidens, where they that palace, this guy don't rape all of them. Wait till the Igwe won't see. Ha!
This is purely injustice. In fact,
God, if I catch that priest, I go kill him. If I catch that priest, his blood go touch ground. If I don't do it, I can die. If that priest don't die, me go die. Somebody must die. Person go die.
Jide, we all have to calm down. We have to take it very easy.
I beg.
Oh. Papa, make una know they talk this, you know. Una two just there here, they say calm down. Not be like this.
Shut up your mouth. What's happening here? Eh?
Papa, I don't know if you be woman, if you understand all these things we talk. Don't worry now, you will see what will happen.
We have problem in this land. Is it because Prince is the son of the Igwe? Is that why he declared him innocent? Eh?
She's lying. She buried my body. Daddy, she's lying. She buried my body. Daddy, she's lying. She buried my body. Daddy, she buried my body. Daddy, she buried my body. Daddy, she's lying. Daddy, she's lying. She buried my body. Daddy.
Heaven. Heaven. Heaven, is that you? Baby girl. Baby girl. Hello, officer. Officer, please. All I need is my daughter. All I need is my daughter. I cannot even concentrate anymore. I cannot even do anything without either hearing my daughter's voice or feeling my daughter's presence. Please, I need my daughter. Dead or alive, please. I need my daughter. I know you are doing everything humanly possible to bring her back to me. But please, I need her. I need my daughter. Please, if she's dead, please just bring her corpse back to me. Let me bury my daughter, please.
Who are you?
I'm a witness to how your sister was killed by the prince. And I hope you won't reveal my identity.
Jesus.
Why you not save her? Why did you save her? You did it and they killed my sister.
Stop this.
And they represent you not to do anything. Why?
Stop this. I only feel I should let you know. What's that? Please give me my phone.
Your Majesty, you demanded for an evidence of the perpetrator of this heinous crime.
Your Majesty, here, this is the video. Your Majesty, we presented these evidences to the king and the prince. And the prince said that that was a doubling clip. That he is not the one in there. And that it was cloned.
You mean the prince has seen this?
Yes,
Your Majesty.
Well, it's very possible he's not the one in there.
Your Majesty, really, when we shown it to Igwe with him, that is the prince, he said it's AI. Your Majesty, I don't know what AI means. But all we know, Your Majesty, is that we have evidence. The person that took this video is our evidence. And he took this video because he saw the movement of Prince. It was so suspicious. He now decided to take this video.
Your Majesty, all I demand is justice. Justice for my late niece. The prince raped her to death.
Well, be that as it may, this is my judgment. You know, this time, technology can go as far as fabricating anything to make things real, to make things seem the way they are not. Moreover, the person in question who took this video, you people just showed me, is nowhere to be found. If you had brought him here, I would know where to have start from. All the same, I'm very sorry for the loss of your niece. I will give you the sum of 1 million naira to go and bury her. And keep this case sealed. I have spoken. This is my judgment. I have spoken.
If you destroy all, something is wrong somewhere, but I can't place my hand on it.
Your Majesty, the video showed our son abusing the deceased girl.
You mean the video showed our son raping the deceased? And you mean that His Majesty will rule in favor of judicial?
And what if he does?
Our son is a royal blood, and he will not hang our son for it. How much more sentence him to death? King Edeka has been a family friend for years, and I do know that he will not betray me. He won't do that.
I am restless. I just wish this whole thing would just fizzle away at once.
soon it will. And if you have never trusted me, begin to do so now. I am totally in control.
I don't want anything to happen to my son.
I just wish you can trust me for once. Our son will be fine.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, will destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the word, you will suffer eternal. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence.
My love, don't worry. Everyone will be found alive. Okay? She will come back for us. I know you miss her. I miss her too. And I pray the police find her alive, in good state. Don't worry yourself, okay? She will be back. Stop crying. You know I hate seeing you like this. Okay? I'm going to stop.
Princess! Princess, what is it? What is it, princess? Talk to me, what is it? Are you okay?
Princess, she killed me. The princess, she killed me. She killed me. The princess, she killed me. She killed me. She killed me. The princess.
I appreciate so much on a serious note. No, why won't I be? I really don't know what to say. Yes, I have sent a token of 10 million naira into your account. No, it's a small money. I actually sent it through your daughter's account. Yes. Yeah, I know. Well, what do you want me to say? I know in big trouble that could have, I am happy. I appreciate it. If I had more, I know I would have. Yeah, she's happy.
What did he say?
What does Ezomo mean that the gods rejected you? You, Ezobika of Ezuko Kingdom. No. See, let me advise you this time. You can never relent. You have to go extra miles to stop this trouble. This calamity that is about to befall you. Go extra miles to stop it. Moreover, Ezembok will be fabricating all these fallacies. You understand what I'm talking about? Yes. It's okay. Please, do not leave any stone unturned. I trust what you can do.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I will call you in the morning. Tell you thank you again.
Talk to me. What did he say?
I just sent 10 million to appreciate you. Our son is...
Oh, thanks to the God.
The case has been decided and our son is...
What is the problem?
What's the matter? My princess! What? What is the matter with you? What's the matter with you?
What is it? What's going on?
Mom, it was a mistake. It was a mistake. I don't know what happened.
Adure, you killed an innocent girl and buried her all by yourself.
Mom, I said I'm seeing a ghost everywhere. A ghost follows me everywhere.
A ghost?
A ghost. Please, Mom, I need a solution. I need help. Please help me. Please. Please.
God, these children will not kill me in this palace. What is all this? What is going on? What is all this? Adure, this is too much. Oh. You know what? You will remain here in this palace. I will send for your grandmother. She will prepare a charm that repels spirits.
I should remain in this palace.
That is what I said.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill.
What is all this? What have I gotten myself? What is this? What is all this?
Tell my father what you did to me. Tell my father what you did to my body. Tell my father.
Hello? What? My mother? Hey! My mother is dead! Oh, Nemo! My mother! Chimo! Oh, hey, Chimo! Nemo! 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 Hey! Open the gate. Nemo!
Move! Let Princess Buka. I think I will come for you. Fall out! Let me kill him!
Otuji! Left my tongue, guys. Otuji! Let me summon. Otuji! Are you okay? Come here. Come here. Are you fine? What is happening? Otuji, are you okay? What is happening?
Heaven, I saw your daughter. I was inside at the help. Now him I come out, say make her check. I saw heaven. I know if you understand myself. Now him I go back, say make her check if she true. Now him I come back again. Now she.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Oga, your daughter Heaven told me that Madam, the princess killed her.
Otuji,
Oga,
there are things you don't play with. There are things you don't. This is a very serious thing. Do not play with me. We both know my daughter has been dead for a while. Now, what are you talking about?
Oga, have I lied to you before? I never lied for you before now. I saw your daughter, Heaven. I saw her. Oga, I saw Heaven. I know that you will not believe me, but trust me, I saw Heaven. I never lied for you before. I never lie.
Go inside. Go and get the car ready for me. I need to go somewhere. Now! Go and get the car ready for me! Please, I insist to go inside.
Don't worry. It is very important, so we have to meet here, okay?
I hope all is well.
Please, get down on your knees. Him who the cap fits, let him wear it. The gods of our land have chosen you as the next king of Ezugo kingdom. You may now rise.
Igwe.
You must not marry the princess. Did you hear me? You must not marry her. They are cursed. Did you hear? I will send for you in due time.
Thank you, Zemo.
Excuse me.
Oga, no look am now. My salary, Oga, go Adam. You add money for me so that I will guide you well.
My son! Chukwebuka, wake up! Get up! Jineso! Jinisomi! Ebuka, look at your mother! Igwe! No! Get up! Chukwebuka! Hey!
Your Majesty, Jinechowa must be killed. Ha! She committed a taboo. She killed the prince of this great kingdom. Oh, Jinechowa must be killed on an Ekebe, which is tomorrow. Look, she invaded the palace and murdered the prince. She must die a painful death.
I'm not fear to die. In fact, I already died now. I will be the happiest girl on earth if I die now. I won't die now. You see this prince, this stupid boy, let me kill him. I took him on my full chest. He deserves to die. You don't whine?
It can't happen. I said it cannot happen. This is war. This kingdom will tear into pieces. It will fall flat should anything happen to my niece. Yes. Seize him. Okay. Then Bonnie, where come here? I said seize him. If the Bonnie, where come here, come to her. Are you crazy? You know what? His Majesty, Prince, the prince of this kingdom, raped her younger sister to death. All of you here watched the ugly clip. You did not do anything about it. I mean the video. Is it because we are not wealthy? Is it because we are not royals? Is it because we are of the minority? This is a clear case of cheat to death.
You dare declare war on this kingdom? You are a rebel!
Can you imagine? I have declared it. Anybody touch her, you will see the other side of it.
Igwe, you must free Jideshoba. You must.
Yes.
When your son killed her younger sister, nobody did anything. Eh? Igwe, the law says that whosoever accused must go down to the grave. A prince, our own prince. And he was enjoying it, celebrating his victory. Igwe, your son committed a heinous crime. And he was going for it. Now, look at it. But let me make this very clear. If Jideshoba, the palace, did not allow her to go, we, the minority, we will shake her!
I miss my water.
Sure.
Chima! You have not heard.
Heard what?
Hey. Prince Ebuka is dead.
Chimo!
Isse, you remember the girl he raped her sister and denied it? Jidechua.
Yes, Jidechua.
She shot him dead in the presence of his parents and everyone this morning.
Jesus Christ. You don't mean it.
I'm not joking. As I speak with you, Ezoku kingdom is on fire. The majorities are clamoring for war, while the minorities are ready to defend their own Jidechua. I think that's not enough. Their Ezemo has declared the royal house unfit. That means they are to evacuate the palace with immediate effect. All of this is happening in the kingdom.
Justice has finally been served.
Yes, so justice has been served.
See, it is not everybody that you can wrong and go scot-free.
Exactly.
You cannot just wake up and decide to wrong people. This is justice. See, this is the best news that you have ever brought. In fact, this news is very good for myself and my wife.
Yes.
You know what? This calls for celebration.
Yes, my husband.
This calls for
celebration.
Neka, don't worry, Be going, We'll come and meet you. We need to celebrate this.
Justice has been
my wife,
served.
hey!
Bye-bye.
Don't worry. In fact, it's rice that we'll
problem.
eat. Hey!
Let's go inside. Finally! Oh God.
Where are you going? Officer, come here. Officer! Come to your job! There she is. Arrest her.
Drop your weapons, all of you.
Hands up.
Officer, arrest her! Arrest this girl! She killed my son and my husband!
Lolo, that's not why we are here. Officer, there is the woman.
Sorry, please, baby, I did not kill her. I swear with my life, I did not kill her. Please, I'm sorry.
You're a devil. You are a devil. You knew what happened to my daughter all this while and you kept quiet. You pretended to be an angel. Officer, arrest her, please.
You're under arrest. Keep silent. Anything you say, we use it against you in court of law.
Move! You too.
You're under arrest.
Move! Move!
You're too safe not to destroy. You're too safe not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragi nime, akini baragi nime, akini baragi nime, akini baragi nime. Ijabata, if it destroy all, something is wrong.
Open this gate for me. Open this gate for me. Open my house for me. Open my house. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Open my house for me. Somebody come back. I've lost everything. I've lost everything. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Can you do what you can do? Yes, come now! I will be able
I want to say a very big thank you to you for making me not to stay in jail. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay, Florence. See, I had the emergency and my uncle had to take me to Lagos. And on our way, we were robbed. You know, highway robbers. And we lost everything. That's how I lost your contact, because they also took my phone. Though, after some time, when I retrieved my number, I tried calling you, but your number was not going through.
That's because I also lost my phone. I couldn't retrieve the SIM card.
You know, I flew down to Jos to look for you. But I was told that your father died and you went back to the village with your people. Florence, I really looked for you. I really do. And though I had a baby with Marble, but I was always thinking about you.
Wait, hold on. The baby she buried is your daughter?
Yes. Her name is Heaven. She's my daughter.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Oh. Please accept my condolence.
It's okay. It's okay. So, France, I can't believe the prince actually raped your sister Chidera. I mean, the little Chidera that we used to go to fetch firewood with, you normally carry on your back. That's a very sad experience. Please, I'm sorry about that. Accept my condolences, eh?
It's okay. Everything is in the past now. All I know is my parents and my sister will always be in my heart.
Yes. They will also be here in our hearts.
Good morning.
Lawrence.
So what do I owe this visit?
Tonight is my coronation night.
I know. Congratulations.
Every king deserves a queen. And you, Florence, is a perfect woman to be my queen. Yes, it's just us now. No one else but us. It is the will of the gods that I find you after so many years. Be my queen, Florence Okonkwo, Jidechora.
The Regent King, I greet you. Jidechora, please go ahead and accept his proposal. And let us go to the palace for the coronation ceremony.
People of Wazico Kingdom,
I greet you.
I stand before the gods of our land and man as the servant of the gods of our land. By the instructions and power bestowed on me, I hereby present to you Igwe Marvins Obinna Ofo as the third Igwe of Wazico Kingdom.
If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence.